Okay, so now once we have the cylinder, lift cylinder back on the machine, now to bleed the system, what we're going to have to do is obviously you have the saw powered up. We're going to turn on the saw. We're going to increase the speed as fast as it goes, with the arm going down as fast as it can. And then once it goes down, obviously it's going to shut itself off. It'll raise itself up. Once it raises itself all the way up, you'll see here, and then we hit it again instantly. We're going to do about 4 or 5 revolutions of this, so that way you'll get the air out of the system. It'll purge itself out.